Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to install iPhone keyboard in Redmi Note 14. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here green keyboard. And here you can see green Apple keyboard. Now click on green Apple keyboard. And first of all, install green Apple keyboard, and after installing the green Apple keyboard, then open it. And here you can see the option switch input methods. Now click on switch input methods, and here you can select Gboard English Australia and green Apple keyboard, and then click on OK. So this is the way to install iPhone keyboard in Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching this video.